The chance of Obi, Tony, and Kebir passing an economics test are 5 divided by 8, 2 divided by 5, and 3 divided by 5 respectively. So we are to find the probability that none of them pass the examination, one of them pass the examination, and all of them pass the examination. All right. So from the question, we were given the probability of success, the probability that each of these students pass. If you look here, I said the probability that OB pass, in short form, probability OB pass is what? 5 divided by 8. So before we proceed, I'm going to find the probability that OB fail. If the probability that OB pass is 5 over 8, this means that the probability that OB failed will be 1 minus 5 or divided by 8, which will give me 3 divided by 8. Don't forget that the probability of success plus the probability of failure of any event should give us 1. This means that the probability of success is equals to 1 minus probability of failure. So in the same vein, the probability of failure is 1 minus probability of success. So the probability that OB will fail is 3 over 8. So the probability that Tony will pass is 2 over 5. This means that the probability that Tony will fail will be 1 minus 2 divided by 5, and you will get 3 divided by 5. The last person here, the probability that Kebir pass is 3 over 5. This implies that the probability that Kebir will fail will be what? 1 minus 3 divided by 5. Excuse me. And that will give us 2 divided by 5. Okay, so I have been able to find the probability of success and failure of each of the students that sat for the economics test. So, question 1. I am to find the probability that none of them passed. So, the probability that none of them pass means that OB failed, Tony failed, and Kebir failed. So it means probability that OB failed, that is OB prime, I'm going to multiply it with probability that Tony failed, that is Tony prime. I will multiply it by probability that Kebir also was failed, since none of them passed. So the probability that OB failed is 3 divided by 8. The probability that Tony failed is 3 divided by 5, and the probability that Kebir failed is 2 divided by 5. So I'm going to have 2 here 1, 2 here 4. 3 times 3, 9, divided by 4 times 5, 20, 20 times 5, 100. So it means that the probability that none of them pass the exam is 9 divided by 100. That has answered question number 1. Okay. For question number 2, find the probability that one of them passed. Probability that one of them passed. Okay, in this case, what you are going to do is the probability that one of them pass. It means that OB pass, Tony fail, Kebir fail, or OB fail, Tony pass, Kebir fail, or Tony fail, OB fail, and only Kebir was pass. So it becomes that's probability that OB pass multiplied by probability that Tony fail multiplied by probability that Kebir fail. That's 1. Or the probability that OB fail times probability that now it is Tony that pass. Tony pass times probability that Kebir fails. So what I'm doing is that only one of them must pass. So here, Obi pass, Tony fail, Kebir fail. Here, Obi fail, Tony pass, Kebir fail. Then the last one will now be plus the probability that Obi already passed here, Obi fails here, okay? Obi fail plus Tony too will fail, then multiply, then only Kebir pass. So, and that is all. So what do we need to do here? So it becomes, that's Obi pass. Obi pass is 5 divided by 8 multiplied by Tony fail. Now it's 3 divided by 5 multiplied by Kebir fail. 2 divided by 5. So we are done with this. We are going to add it to Obi fail. That is 3 divided by 8 multiplied by Tony pass. That is 2 divided by 5 multiplied by Kebir fail. That is 2 divided by 5. And the last but not the least is the probability. Okay, that is Obi fail. So that's 3 divided by 8 multiplied by where is it? Tony fail. That's 3 divided by 5. Then multiplied by Kebir pass. That's 3 divided by 5. Okay, so let's see what we will have here. Okay, let's go. So here I have 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 2, that's 30 divided by 8 times 5, 40 times 5, that's 200. Plus 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 divided by 200. Plus 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 divided by 200. So if you have everything together, you have 30 plus 2, that is 42. That is 69 divided by 200. So the probability that one of them pass is 69 divided by 200. And the last question for the day, for question 7, Neco 2025, is probability number 3. All of them pass. All of them passed. So all of them pass simply means probability that Obi pass multiplied by probability that Tony pass multiplied by probability that Kebir pass. So I'll just multiply all the three together. That is 5 divided by 8 times 2 divided by 5 times 3 divided by 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 3, 30 divided by 8 times 5, 40. 40 times 5, that's 200. 0 cancels 0, and that's equals to 3 divided by 40. So that's the approach on how you solve question 7 2025 Neco for that mathematics question under probability. Thank you. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification button so that whenever we have a new video uploaded, you can have access to watch them. Thank you. Bye.